Feeling tired? What if I told you there are two powerhouse plants that could give you a natural energy boost without the crash? Guarana and Mate. Which one's better for you? Let's find out. First, let's clear something up. While many people think of Yerba Mate as solely Argentine, it actually originates in several countries: Argentina, Uruguay, and Paraguay. It's a beloved tradition across South America, often shared among friends. Guarana, on the other hand, comes from the Amazon basin in Brazil. Both have a long history, and today, they're both packed into energy drinks, supplements, and even teas. Let's start with Guarana. Known for its caffeine kick, this plant's seeds have been used by indigenous tribes in Brazil for centuries to boost energy and fight fatigue. In fact, Guarana has about twice the caffeine content of coffee beans, making it a powerful pick-me-up. But it's not just for energy, it's also packed with antioxidants and can help with mental clarity and even weight loss. Did you know that Guarana has been used by indigenous tribes for centuries as a natural stimulant? And that's before energy drinks even existed. Oh, and here's the kicker. Guarana is so potent it might actually keep you buzzing for hours. But be careful, you don't want to end up over-caffeinated. Now let's move on from the high-octane Guarana to its more relaxed cousin, Yerba Mate. This traditional South American drink is made from the leaves of the yerba plant. It's like coffee's laid-back cousin with a smoother caffeine kick. Often referred to as the drink of the gods by the Guarani people, this tea is rich in caffeine, theobromine, and polyphenols. It's known for providing a smoother, more sustained energy than coffee, without the crash. Besides boosting focus, Mate is full of antioxidants, aids digestion, and supports your immune system. It's a social tradition in Argentina, Paraguay, and Uruguay. People literally pass it around like coffee culture, except more relaxed. So, which one's better for you? If you need that immediate powerful boost, Guarana's your guy. Perfect for those early mornings or long nights at work, but be careful, too much might make you jittery. On the other hand, if you're looking for something with a more sustained energy boost, that doesn't make you feel like you've just run a marathon, go for Mate. It's got caffeine, yes, but with some other natural compounds like theobromine, making it feel more balanced. Plus, Mate is loaded with antioxidants. It's like drinking tea with a purpose. At the end of the day, it comes down to what you're looking for. If you need that extra push for focus and energy, Guarana's your go-to. But if you're after a healthy, sustained energy with a ton of added benefits, Mate might be your winner. What's your go-to natural energy booster? Let me know in the comments. Are you Team Guarana or Team Mate, or maybe both? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more herbal insights.